Thus, in fact, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has also spoken out. He has alleged the violence in Uttar Pradesh's Sambal district over the survey of a mosque was orchestrated by the BJP, the government and the administration to divert attention from electoral malpractices.
सर्वे हो चुका था, चुनाव के चर्चा न हो पाए, हमारी आपकी प्रेस गड़बड़ा जाए, इसलिए जानबूझ करके सुबह सर्वे की टीम भेजी है, जिससे माहौल खराब हो जाए, कोई चुनाव पर चर्चा न कर सके। और जो जानकारी मिल रही है उसमें जानकारी है कि कई लोगों को चोट पहुंची है, कई लोग घायल हैं और एक नौजवान नईम उसकी जान चली गई है। आखिरकार जब सर्वे हो चुका था मस्जिद का, तो दोबारा सर्वे क्यों करा ये सरकार, और वो भी सुबह और बिना तैयारी के। कानूनी और कोर्ट के जो प्रोसीजर उसमें मैं नहीं जाना चाहता हूं कि दूसरे पक्ष की सुनवाई ही नहीं है, कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है दूसरे पक्ष को। और ये जानबूझ के इसलिए किया है कि आज किस बात पे चर्चा हो, किस इमोशन पे चर्चा हो, ये जानबूझ करके सरकार ने कराया है। ये जो संभल में हुआ है, बीजेपी सरकार प्रशासन सब ने मिलकर कराया, जिससे कि चुनाव के धांधली पर, चुनाव की बेईमानी पर चर्चा न हो सके।
These are the latest updates coming in. Akhilesh Yadav, of course, speaking out there on this incident in Sambal. Nikita Sareen is joining us for more on this story. Nikita, what is the Samajwadi Party chief alleging?
While we are listening to Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, he again and again saying that the whole ruckus in Sambal is created by the government deliberately, and he's also accusing Bharatiya Janata Party and all the Sambal administration for creating all this incident to deflect the discussion of election fraud that according to him happened yesterday, because we saw the result came and Samajwadi Party won 2 seats, whereas Uttar Pradesh, if we talk about the Bharatiya Janata Party, that won 7 seats. And after that all the blaming game have been started, and today also Akhilesh is claiming that the survey team was sent to disrupt all the environment and aura in Sambal so that no one can discuss about the elections that happened yesterday. The result came, and during this clash many young people have also lost their life. 3 people have been injured, including women, and also lost their life in the survey that has already been conducted by the government. Then if already has been conducted, then why the government conducted another survey without informing anyone, that too early in morning without any preparation? Now Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav is raising this question. Meanwhile, Bahujan Samaj Party chief Mayawati is also asking question that what all happened in Sambal today in Uttar Pradesh. The government is